Hi everyone, welcome back to my math vlog. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important and easiest tricks in trigonometry, which is the SOHCAHTOA. Don't worry, it's not scary at all. By the end of this video, you'll actually remember it easily. SOHCAHTOA is a memory aid that helps us remember the three basic trigonometric ratios in a right triangle. Before anything else, let's remember that SOHCAHTOA only works for right triangles. Let's imagine a right triangle. From a chosen triangle angle, we have three sides. First one is the opposite side. This side is across the angle. Adjacent side, which is beside the angle, and hypotenuse, which is the longest side or opposite the right angle. Let's start with SO. S stands for sine, O stands for opposite, and H stands for hypotenuse. As you can see in the SO triangle, O is in the upper part, S is in the lower left part, and H is in the lower right part. So, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. We rewrite it as sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Let's have our example. In this triangle, we have a theta, which is this, and we have the opposite, which is the 4, and we have the hypotenuse, which is 5. Our formula for sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So, sine theta equals opposite, which is 4, over the hypotenuse, which is the 5. So our sine theta equals 4 over 5. Next is CA. C stands for cosine, A stands for adjacent, and H stands for hypotenuse. As you can see in the CA triangle, A is in the upper part, C is in the lower left part, and H is in the right lower part. So, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, or we can rewrite it as cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Let's have our example for cosine. We have a theta, and we have each opposite, which is 5, adjacent, which is 12, and hypotenuse, which is 13. So, to find cosine, we need to get the adjacent and hypotenuse. Cosine theta equals adjacent, which is this part, the value is 12, and the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, 13. So our cosine theta equals 12 over 13. Finally, we have TOA. T stands for tangent, O stands for opposite, and A stands for adjacent. As you can see in the TOA triangle, O is in the upper part of the triangle, T is in the lower left part, and A is in the lower right part. So, tangent equals opposite over adjacent, or we can write it as tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Let's have our example for tangent. As you can see in our right triangle, we have a theta and its opposite side, which is this, 35, adjacent, which is 12, and hypotenuse, which is 37. To get the tangent, we need to find the opposite side of this tangent theta and the adjacent side of the tangent theta. Our opposite side is 35, and our adjacent side, which is 12. So the value of our tangent theta is 35 over 12. See, it's that simple. But if you're having trouble remembering SOHCAHTOA, just think, same old horse caught another horse taking odds away. Weird, but effective. And that's it. That's SOHCAHTOA, your best friend in basic trigonometry. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next math vlog.